Hi, second graders. Today you're going to create a fun spring bunny directed drawing. So, you'll have a big piece of paper. You're going to create a bunny. Put the paper up and down, and let's get started. Here we go. You're going to start at the bottom of your paper, and you're going to do one big half circle, like this. At the bottom. Okay, mine was a little too big. Okay, should look like that. Then you're going to create another smaller half circle in the middle of that for the stomach, like this. Now you're going to create the ears. So to do that, we do one line up like this, and then come straight down. Same over here, straight down. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create the face. So let's go ahead with a nose in the middle, like that. Okay, and then we're going to draw the bunny's eyes. So a half circle, connect like that. Another half circle, connect like that. And then we'll color in the eyeballs, like that. If you choose to, you can add some eyelashes if you'd like. If you don't want eyelashes, that's totally fine. Okay, so now I have my bunny's eyes. I'm going to create the mouth. So I'm going to do one half circle like that, come down, and another half circle like that. Show you again, half circle like that, another half circle. Then I'm going to create the teeth. So one tooth, two teeth. And then I'm going to give him whiskers. So 3 lines like this. 1, 2, 3. Another on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Now I can add my details if I'd like. I can add a bow tie. To do that, you would make one triangle like this. Add a circle and another triangle. Then you could add, if you would like, some plaid if you'd like. Okay. If you don't like that, you could create a bow tie or a bow in the hair. Let me show you that. That would look like this. So a triangle there. And it would look like that. And then you can color that if you would like. Okay. I like the bow tie on his neck, so I'm going to do that. And there's your bunny. Oh, we forgot one thing. Do 2 half circles in his ears so he can hear. And your spring bunny is done. On the next part, I'm going to show you some of the examples that are finished. Remember, when you are done, you're going to color it with oil pastels. Make sure that the background is filled in. And then you're going to hand it to me if I'm here, or the sub, and we will hang it up to brighten up our room for spring.